Good afternoon, YouTubers. Swapping out my backing plate on my rear drum brakes of my 1990 Chevrolet K1500 pickup truck, and noticing that the reason I'm doing this is because I was having issues with my right side drum brake hanging on me, causing the brakes to overheat. And now I see perfectly why. So if you compare the two, the new versus old, you can see how much wear there is. Hold on one second. The main thing is these little nubs here, down here, and down here. These nubs are what help keep the brake shoes even around the backing plate here. Look at the old one, completely worn down. Here, 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 here. Huge difference between, see, this sticks up just a little bit, where this is almost recessed, it's so worn out. So there is your answer right there. If you're having issues with your rear brakes, especially drum brakes, sticking, or they're overheating, only on one side especially, and you just can't figure out why, you're going to probably have to pull the rear axle. It's not that big a job. That's not that horrible. I mean, I'd never done it before, and a couple of YouTube videos, and not that bad at all. You're just going to have to drain your rear differential fluid, and then, you know, remove a couple of bolts, and then a big C-clip that holds the half of the axle in place, and then you just pull the axle out, and then you can disassemble your rear brakes. So, let me get the camera off here. Yeah, just look at those. Those are supposed to be raised little nubs. There, down there, over there. They're supposed to be raised, as you see on the new one. The light will shine on it properly. See those little raised up nubs there? If yours are completely worn down, like mine were, that's going to prevent your brake shoes from retracting properly. And, you know, it's going to make your brakes overheat, and you've tried everything else. So, unfortunately, there's no choice but to swap out the backing plate. And with these older models on the drum brakes, there's no such thing that I could find, at least, of a two-piece backing plate. But on some of the newer models, you know, they have disc brakes on the rear. They make this fancy backing plate that's split down the side so that you don't have to remove the entire axle to swap them out. I couldn't find anything like that for these older ones. You know, this is for like 1988 till 98 or somewhere around in there. So anyway, that's the bad news, is there's no easy way to do it. You have to remove the axle to get to this guy. And, you know, if you have to go this far, if you haven't rebuilt your rear brakes, it's probably time to do that anyway. It's probably time to do a brake flush. Time for new shoes, new hardware, maybe even a new drum. You know, all that stuff is not all that expensive if you shop hard enough. You know, you can find the entire brake kit to replace what you need. Not that big a deal. Anyway, there you go. These nubs completely worn down. Here, here, here. They need to be raised, like here, 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 and here. And that does it. Subscribe, follow, share. Check our Facebook page, Horsepower House on Facebook. We do all kinds of unique and different stuff on there. Check us out. We're always posting something new and different for motorcycles, cars, lawnmowers, anything that's got a motor, or anything that's remotely fun, or sometimes not so fun. Anyway, y'all have a good day.